So a slightly different Saturday video for you this week. I wanted to take the opportunity to just give a huge thank you to everyone who has sent me amazing messages following my announcement that I am leaving Stamping Up. I have been absolutely bowled over by your support, your concern. I've had cards, I've had some gifts. It's been amazing. I don't know what I've done to deserve it, but thank you so much. There seems to be a little confusion still about why I'm going. I did hear some suggestion that it was because sales, certainly in Europe at the moment, are difficult. It's nothing to do with that. This is a very personal decision. It is purely that I've got some niggling health issues that I need to get on top of, and the vast majority of them are made worse by stress. So I'm trying to completely de-stress my life at the moment. I mean, it's ironic that having made the decision, I then developed some sort of heart arrhythmia. But I've seen a specialist about that, so we're on top of it. We're going to get it sorted. Just need to pinpoint exactly what the problem is with that. But yeah, that was a bit ironic. So I think had I not made the decision previously, I probably would have done anyway now. But yeah, I'm just so touched by all of the amazing messages I've had. If you want to see the full video as to why I'm leaving, you can see that. I'll put a link below this video if you want to see that. There's nothing sensational in it. It's a very personal decision. I am going to miss my customers who have been amazing. And I obviously will miss my team. But I will be back. I don't know exactly when yet, but I will be back. But just for me and just as a hobby. But I will be continuing with my videos. That's something else that people seem to have got a little confused over. Just because I'm not doing Stamping Up anymore as a business doesn't mean I will stop my videos. I love doing my videos. I love the community that has been built up around it. So yeah, I may not just be using Stamping Up product, but I will still be doing my videos. But obviously, this weekend is just a huge, huge thank you. For my customers, just to say that most of the sunflower voucher gifts have come in. There are a couple that I still need to order, including anyone who wanted the Hollyhocks kit. I thought I'd ordered it, and apparently I hadn't. So that is on my July order, which will be going in this weekend. So yeah, they will be winging their way out very soon. My D-stash is going really well. I will link to that as well. So if you're in the UK and you want some bargain retired items, do go and have a look at that. I'm adding things to it all the time, and I've had a phenomenal response to that as well. So thank you very much. My husband is delighted because it means that he gets some storage space back. I'll probably draw a line under it come the end of the year. And anything that hasn't sold or I haven't got around to listing will go to a local craft charity shop. There is a craft charity shop near us. So I will list as much as I can between now and then, but come the end of the year, I definitely need to have put that behind me, and I need to get my craft studio back, because at the moment it looks like a bomb site with boxes everywhere. Anyway, main reason is to say thank you so much to everyone who has left a comment, sent me a card, all that good stuff. I am so touched by everything that everyone has said. I haven't had one unkind comment. So yeah, thank you very much. And I will miss you. But I'll still be here. Anyway, thank you very much indeed. And I look forward to seeing some of you, hopefully, 11 o'clock Tuesday. That's UK time in the morning for another live crafting. Don't know what I'm going to be doing yet, but something. So until then, bye-bye.